dominoes?
I'm just making a domino stack. Since I've been watching domino movies, I wanted to see if I could try some.
Making a Lego spider.
Well, red eyes and the map is blue and
I don't really know what I'm making yet.
I'm making donuts.
We are making a purse. To make our purse, we're just making our first design and then we're doing stuff inside. But it's gonna be a surprise.
Powder and some water. We made some green water and we put it in.
Researching about witters. Witters are one of the most insects reported,
And they
it can weigh up to
2.5 ounces.
ounces.